It is a question in GATE 2019 from the subject database management systems, asked for 1 mark. The question is, consider the following two statements about database transaction schedules. The first statement is strict two-phase locking protocol generates conflict serializable schedules that are also recoverable. Okay, that are also recoverable. Now we will talk about strict two-phase locking. In strict 2PL, the property that it has to hold all the exclusive locks. It has to hold all exclusive locks because exclusive locks are holding by each of the transaction until it commits. So it will not allow the transactions to perform a dirty read operation, because transactions not allowing dirty read operations, then the schedules are said to be cascadeless schedules, and every cascadeless schedule is recoverable schedule. This is a point for this strict 2PL schedule. Now what is a statement given? Strict 2PL, strict two-phase locking protocol generates conflict serializable schedules that are also recoverable. Yes, the schedule generated by strict 2PL is recoverable, and moreover 2PL always ensures conflict serializability, so that this statement is also correct. So statement 1 is true. Okay, it is a true statement. And the second statement is timestamp ordering concurrency control protocol with Thomas Wright rule can generate view serializable schedules that are not conflict serializable schedules. Here for timestamp based protocols we have two types. In timestamp based we have two types of protocols. One is called timestamp ordering protocol and another one is Thomas Wright rule. And Thomas Wright rule is a modification of timestamp ordering protocol, and the timestamp ordering protocols uses conflict serializability, whereas Thomas Wright rules will uses view serializability, so that whatever the schedule possible under timestamp ordering protocol also possible under Thomas Wright rule, but need not vice versa. But here is the statement: timestamp ordering concurrency control protocol with Thomas Wright rule, means he is mentioning about TWR, can generate view serializable schedules, correct, that are not conflict serializable, correct. Why? Because a schedule that is timestamp ordering protocol will also satisfies Thomas Wright rule. But now tell me, a schedule of Thomas Wright rule need not satisfy on timestamp ordering protocol. It means a schedule that is possible under TWR satisfying view serializable schedules that may not be conflict serializable schedules. That's why the statement 2 is also true. So answer for this question is option D, both 1 and 2 are true.